Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about Nutrition Golden Points Part 2. The link for the Part 1 it will be given in the description box. Go and watch the full video for the Part 1. Part 2 we will see. First question is 1 gram alcohol provide how much of energy, that is 7 kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.184 kilojoule. During pregnancy, a woman requires additional 300 kilocalorie per day, whereas in lactation, a woman requires 550 kilocalorie per day. These are the repeated questions. Richest source of vitamin A and D is fish liver oil. Fat soluble vitamin are, these are the 4 fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Vitamin A is known as retinol, also known as anti-infectious vitamin. Vitamin D is calciferol, also known as anti-rickets vitamin. Vitamin E is tocopherol, anti-sterility vitamin. This is the question that is asked repeated. Which of the vitamin is anti-sterility vitamin? Vitamin E. Anti-infectious vitamin? Vitamin A. Anti-hemorrhagic vitamin? Vitamin K. Phylloquinone. Full form of ICDS is Integrated Child Developmental Scheme. It came in 1975. Mixing of dried seeds of papaya into the black pepper is known as food adulteration. Because the quality of food it is going to reduce, black pepper they are less, to increase the weight in gram they are adding the papaya seeds. So this is food adulteration. Deficiency of thiamine or vitamin B1 leads to beriberi. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. The link for water soluble vitamin will be given in the description box. Vitamin B1 is thiamine, also known as anti-beriberi vitamin. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Vitamin B3 niacin. It leads to pellagra. There are 4D for the pellagra: dermatitis, dementia, diarrhea and death. Vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine. If a person is taking ATT, especially INH, that is isoniazid, the person will be having vitamin B6 deficiency. So when a person is taking INH, give additional vitamin B6. Vitamin B7 biotin. Vitamin B9 folic acid. It lead to megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin causing pernicious anemia. And vitamin C is ascorbic acid, lead to scurvy. So these are the water soluble vitamin B and C, which deficiency they will lead. School lunch program is also known as midday meal program. It came in 1961. Recommended protein requirement for an adult is 1 gram per kg of body weight per day. 100 gram of fresh banana provide 104 kilocalorie. Other name of Keshari dal is Lathyrus sativus. Human letharism is also known as neuroletharism because it affects mainly the nervous system, that is leading to spastic paralysis of lower limbs. Example of monosaccharide sugar are glucose, fructose and galactose. In human, carbohydrate is reserved in the form of glycogen. First clinical sign of vitamin A deficiency is conjunctival cirrhosis, that is drying of the conjunctiva. This is the first clinical sign. Sign is observed by a physician or any healthcare professional. The first clinical symptom of vitamin A deficiency is xerophthalmia, that is dry eye fail to produce tears. Bite spot are seen in vitamin A deficiency. Most heat sensitive vitamin is vitamin C. So these are the 20 questions that are added in this video. All the questions that are included, these are the repeated question. For nutrition classes, follow Preparing Nurse Hindi channel. Go watch, share and subscribe this channel for the nutrition classes, and for regular classes for the nutrition, Preparing Nurse Hindi channel, competitive classes, Preparing Nurse English channel. Thanks for watching and listening. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.